everybody, and welcome back to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today I have a really exciting looking box. I have my GlossyBox for the month of August, and look how cute this is. So it's their anniversary, so they sent us a big present. The ribbon doesn't go all the way to the bottom. Thankfully, I don't have to untie it, but look how cute it is. A GlossyBox is, I want to say $15. I always forget. It's $15 a month, I'm pretty sure. No, it's $21 a month. Got it. It's $21 a month. Comes with 5 products, a mix of full size and deluxe sample sizes, and sometimes an extra bonus thrown in there as well. But let's get into it. This beautiful pink and black and white box. I'm ready. Okay, and our inside, as it says, it is the birthday edition. So I will take that, which is my booklet. It's got extra pages on it today. Oh, okay. So normally I only get this like middle part here, spoilers, and this is what the back normally is this page here. So the rest of it, GlossyBox just launched a whole skincare line itself, and this is the whole line. Look at all of that. That's a lot of products. And their packaging is that pale pink with black writing on it, cleansing cream, moisturizer, cleansers, charcoal cleanser, a night serum, exfoliator, day cleanser, gel cleanser, a micellar gel cleanser, actually a hydrating mist, a 3-in-1 moisturizer as an eye boost. That is like their whole thing. Also on the back, a mention of an advent calendar. That sounds kind of fun. GlossyBox is one of my favorite boxes that I get, so honestly, an advent calendar for them sounds pretty interesting. I'll have to think about it. But for now, let me get into the actual box itself. Sorry. The first thing I see is right in the middle. It's actually the eye cream, the eye boost cream from their new skincare line. So it's a lightweight, fast absorbing formula to reduce redness and depuff eyes. So let me go into it. Okay, so like I said, it's in their BoxyCharm packaging, which is that really light pink that looks white on camera. Interesting. The packaging has got kind of a like, it's got a textured lid here, and then yeah, it's just a little cream. I don't know why I'm showing you. It smells kind of like, I don't know, what does that smell like? Not anything bad. It smells like soap a little, like hand soap. Whatever. That's an interesting choice, but yeah. So they sent us one of their GlossyBox products. Oh, hold on. Oh, it just says birthday edition. Okay. So the theme is, it says let's celebrate. Some interesting things in here. I'm gonna go with this thing next, which I'm intrigued by because it's some kind of brush. This is called Tangle Teaser. It's a professional detangling brush for wet and dry hair. It's designed to be ideal with all hair types. And it says, let's see, let me read it. Infused, not to be used with heat. Well, it's mostly plastic. And innovative teeth configure for dual action, effortlessly tangle. Okay, okay. So it's actually got, if you can see that, it's got teeth of 2 different sizes on there. Ooh. Yeah, that's really interesting. I've never gotten a brush before. Let me brush out. It's nice. It goes through my hair really easily. Not that that's hard. My hair is extremely straight, so it generally doesn't tangle all that much. But yeah, interesting. I'm excited to get a brush. Obviously from the UK. As you can tell, the flag is on everything. But yeah, so the first item I have is a brush. A detangler brush, specifically said for like dry and wet hair. So we'll see. Next thing in here is from Freeman, and it is Deep Clean Dry Shampoo. It says pink clay and peppermint, nourishing and weightless for oily hair. Like I have. I'm failing at getting the lid off of this, guys. Okay, so the cap literally flew across my room. It's like way over there now. I don't even see it. It like flew a ways. let's try. I want to see if it smells like peppermint or something. I don't smell anything, but it's fun to watch. I was going to try and put the cap back on it, but I don't have it. Love dry shampoo. So it says the pink clay absorbs impurities from scalp and hair, and the peppermint cools and refreshes. I will test this on my hair tomorrow, since I washed my hair today, and see how it is. Cool. But I can smell something now. I don't know. But yeah, it's come this little like pink and green on the front from Freeman. So far, that's 2 hair care products. Interesting. The next thing in here is from Jecca Black, and it is Glow Drops. So my guess is this is some kind of liquid highlighter. So highlighting, oh, it's a highlighting primer. Okay, so this is something that goes on with, like to prime. It says Glow Drops prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy natural glow. And just put them on your face. Oh, got a little bit of metal there. Okay, so here's the little packaging of them. Very cute. It says be fearless. You look fabulous. Okay, I put way too much on the back of my hand, guys. Way too much. So this is what it is. So it's kind of got this like shimmery color to it. Blend it in, and so the whole thing now has kind of a shimmer on the back of my hand, or like a glow. It doesn't smell like anything. That's good. But yeah, that's interesting. I don't think I have any dewy primers. Maybe I've got like a glossy one, but not like a real luminous one. So yeah, interesting. Oh, that's cool. It says made in the UK as well. Is this made in the UK? I don't know. Well, it's made. I don't think that's made in the UK. Sorry, just looking at where everything's made. Okay, so the next thing in here is from Rebels Refinery, and it is a soothing lip balm. And let me show you guys once I pull it out of the package. It's a little heart, like shaped heart. It's got like, oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, it's like an EOS thing, so it's got that here. A little bit of a fruity smell, but not a lot. Feels nice on my hand. I can't put it on my lips, obviously, because I've got lipstick on, but yeah, okay, that's nice. That's really cute, though. Look at this. Maybe, yeah, this little heart. It is such an awkward shape, though. Like, what am I supposed to do with that? I can't really like use it. It's huge. It's like the size of my palm here. Goodness, but it's very cute. I think I figured out the theme, by the way. Everything is pink. GlossyBox made everything pink. Like, you got pink packaging, got pink lip balm. Well, their stuff is pink already. This brush is pink, and this has got pink on it. Okay, there is one more thing in here, and it is probably just a sample. It is from Snowberry, and it is Gentle Cleanse and Tone Soft Foaming Cream. It is in a little packet. It says other planets cannot be as beautiful as this one. So it is a little creamer. It says creamer. It's a little cleanser, and it says mix with wet hands and massage over your face. So it's probably got just one amount. So it's just a little sample in here. But with that, I think that's all of them in here. I mean, that's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products plus the like sample. So I think that's it. Okay, so let me pull out my booklet. Okay, first thing up in here is our GlossyBox skincare, which is the Eye Boost cream, which is for subscribers like me. Since I get the box, it is $18. It's a full size, and for non-subscribers, $23. Okay, it's an eye cream, so I'm not really surprised. The next thing in here is, okay, so it's coconut lime. So it's the heart, the Geo heart shaped lip balm, which is also a full size, and it is from, right, it's from Rebels Refinery. It is $7 full price, which, yeah, I think EOS ones are about that much as well. Next up is also a full-size product, which is our Glow Drop Primer in Rose Pearl, and it is $20. Whew, that's a lot for this little amount of primer. 20 fluid ounces, that's or 20 milliliters, that's a lot. Next up is our first non-full-size product, which is the Freeman Beauty Deep Clean Dry Shampoo, which is $3. Wow. So, I think it's $3. It doesn't specify if the travel size is $3 or if the full size is $3. Freeman is not an expensive brand, so in all honesty, like, if you need something, you can get this from like drugstores or like Walmart or Target or things like that. You can get this brand, and I would say do it. It's good stuff. Okay, and our next thing is also well, it's a hairbrush. I don't think people generally have like sample size hairbrushes. At least I hope not. That's weird. And this one is $12 from Tangle Teezer, the Wet and Dry Detangling Brush, which is really interesting. And it's like two-tiered. Sorry, I really like the sound when it does that. And our last thing in here, which is a deluxe packet, which is the extra treat from Snowberry, the Youth Renewing Space Serum. That is certainly not what this is. This is absolutely a gentle cleanse and tone. So my guess is, it says products may vary, I guess, but, you know, oh boy. So full size of this is 35 milliliters and it is $72. This is 3 milliliters. Oof. Oh, well, wait, no, that's for the serum. Serums are going to be more expensive than cleansers. I'm guessing a full-size cleanser is not $70+. Gosh, I hope not. You really don't need to spend that much on cleanser. Okay, let me add, okay, so added all together, everything is $60. Is that right? Did I add that correctly? Yeah, I think I did. I added it correctly. Okay, so that's about still 3 times the amount plus the extra thing. So everything in here is a little bit. These are definitely a little bit on the lower end, but not a problem. I did mark this as $3, even though it's probably not, but whatever. I'll find the cap for that later. But yeah, so overall though, it's got some fun stuff. I like this, and I'm interested to try their skincare for sure. And this primer, that'll be interesting. And this brush. I'm excited about the brush. But overall, GlossyBox still hasn't disappointed me. It's got fun stuff in it. I mean, maybe the lip balm is the least exciting, but whatever. I'm good with that. But with that, I'm at the end of the video. Thank you so much for making it all the way to this part. If you're while you're here, if you could, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, or don't. I'm fine no matter what. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!